So anytime we're talking about Lake Oahe, primarily in the fall, there's a few important things to pay attention to as these fish begin to migrate and set up for the winter. We're about, I would say, mid-fall right now. So there's a couple things that I'm going to pay attention to help me get on the fish, get on the big fish in particular. Number one is the bait fish, okay? As we've heard and we know, the herring kind of rule the big fish world on this lake, which is really cool, okay? But the important thing is to be fishing areas that these lake herring really are prolific in. The Swan Creek area in particular, it has the perfect setup for these lake herring. Therefore, you know, there's always a lot of big fish around. But what happens out here in the fall is that these fish will begin to migrate and really congregate up here in the Swan Creek area. We've got the Moreau River right across the reservoir. So not only are these fish here to feed, but they're also here staging. And if you can find areas that have a combination of deep water, plenty of food near their spawning areas, that's a perfect recipe for big fish. And that's what the Swan Creek area delivers, and that's why we're here today.